Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa, and today I will show you how to make a marshmallow shooter. Before we start, I want to tell everyone to please use these responsibly and only use them outside. All you need is a paper or plastic cup, a balloon, scissors, and tape. Let's get started. To start, cut the bottom off your cup. It'll help if you have a strong pair of scissors. Now take your balloon and tie off the end. Easier said than done. Then you're going to cut the tip off of your balloon, about 1/2 inch. Now you're going to cover the hole in your cup with your balloon. To help it stay in place, you'll use some tape. And now you're ready to shoot. For a projectile, use something soft like pom-poms, marshmallows, or little balls of paper. All you do is drop it in the cup, pull back the balloon, and shoot. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.